I'm here with a can of Cento Sardines. Let's check these out and give them a try. Sardine Cuisine. So I got this can of sardines at Uncle Giuseppe's, which is like an Italian supermarket around here. They specialize in Italian foods, and this is, I believe this is an Italian brand. It says these are skinless and boneless sardines in olive oil. This is a 4.375 ounce can. And here's the back of the can. It says servings 1, serving size 1 can drained, calories 195. Let's take a look at the sodium. It looks like it says 348, which is not too bad for sardines. Sometimes they could be really salty. For your daily recommended value of vitamin D, it says 19%, calcium 6%, iron 10%, and potassium 6%. Ingredients are sardines, olive oil, and salt. And it says it's a product of Morocco. This is the side of the can, the other side of the can. So I'm really looking forward to trying these. I just grabbed a plate and my seafood fork, so let's open these. So this can is really easy to open. This is what the sardines look like. Right now I'm getting a very pleasant sardine aroma. To me it smells like tuna. Like if someone walked in the room right now, they'd be like, oh, what are you eating, tuna? So now let's take them out of the tin. Let's see what they're looking like. That one fell apart. So here are the sardine pieces. They actually look really meaty. And here's the olive oil that's left in the can. I'm actually going to leave the olive oil in the can because I plan on eating these over pasta. So I'm really a fan of linguine and clam sauce, which I have not had in a very long time. And I figured instead of making clam sauce, I'm going to make a sardine sauce because this is pretty much all you need. Some sardines, olive oil. I'm going to add some garlic to it, maybe fry up a little bit of onion also. I'm sure it's going to be really good. But first, I want to taste these sardines on their own. So let's just take a look at them. Can we open this one? Let's open that one. So since they're skinless and boneless, they're really just chunks of fish. And like I said, they do give off like a very meaty consistency. They have a nice flavor. They definitely remind me of tuna. So out of all the sardines that I've eaten recently, like over the past few months, not that I've eaten a whole lot, but I've probably had like 3 or 4 different kinds of sardines. Out of all the kinds that I've had, these remind me the most of tuna. I kind of feel like I'm just eating some albacore tuna from a can. They kind of taste that way also. These are definitely very good. I actually kind of wish I had some crackers right now because these would be perfect made into like a tuna salad, like a sardine salad on crackers. They're kind of really screaming, put me on a cracker. So yeah, these are definitely good. I would definitely buy these again. These would make a really good starter sardine. Like if you've never had sardines before and you want to try them, these would be a good starting point because they're not scary. The flavor is good. The texture is good. They're just a really nice, easy sardine to eat. So right now I'm heating up some water to make my pasta. And once the pasta is done, I'll be back and we'll put the sauce together. And I can't wait to eat these on my pasta. My cats want to try the sardines. Are you going to eat it? Boo's not really a sardine fan. Let's see if he'll eat it. Simba's looking for some also. Wow, Boo, you like that? No? You don't like it? He's walking away. Is Simba gonna try them? No? So Simba loves dried sardines. He eats them every day. What about Stella? Will Stella eat them? Stella, you want some sardines? She's not a fish fan at all. So my pasta's cooking, and I'm heating up a little bit of butter in a saute pan. I just added some chopped onions, and I'm gonna saute those for a few minutes until they're soft. Meanwhile, I just crushed up the sardines. I'm adding a little bit of crushed garlic. I keep a little jar of crushed garlic in olive oil in my refrigerator. It's really quick and easy to add it to a recipe like this. So I just lowered the heat and I'm going to add the sardines. I don't want the onions or garlic to burn, so I have the heat on as low as possible right now because the pasta still has about 6 or 7 minutes to cook. I just want to heat the sardines through. So that looks good, and now I'm going to add the olive oil from the sardine can. I don't like cooking with olive oil on high heat, so that's another reason it's on low right now. And then the next thing I'm going to add is some Italian seasoning. You can use any kind of Italian seasoning blend that you like. This sauce smells amazing. Right now, this mixture reminds me of baked clams. If I had breadcrumbs to put in there, I think it would be really similar to baked clams. It smells just like an Italian restaurant right now. So here's my pasta. It's a red lentil pasta. If it looks a little red, that's why. I'm gonna add it to the pan with the sardines. And I'm gonna stir the sauce in. That looks so good. I just tasted a little bit of the sauce in the pan, and I'm gonna add some black pepper and just a little bit of salt. And here we have it, spaghetti with white sardine sauce. So it's a butter, garlic, olive oil sauce with some Italian herbs and spices. It looks so good. That's really nice. Let me grab some with more of the sardines in it. This is a really nice pasta dish. I'm definitely going to enjoy it. All the flavors work really well together. One thing it's missing is a little bit more fresh olive oil. Yeah, don't forget to top it off with a little bit of olive oil. It really brightens it up. Wow, that is really good. This is restaurant quality. I'd easily be paying like $20 for this in a restaurant. I should mention that the can of sardines costs $3.99. So this is a very enjoyable meal. I am really happy to have tried those Cento sardines. I would definitely buy them again if I saw them in a store, and I would definitely make this again. This is a really nice dish. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Have a great day. So while I was enjoying my meal, Splash came by, and he enjoyed all of the sardines that the other cats didn't eat. Splash, did you like those sardines?